Hello folks, today we will load a 40-feet container that is sitting on top of a flatbed truck. The house is in Miami. Most of these old homes have several steps before the main door entrance. And this one is no exception. This makes our work harder. We had to build ramps to be able to roll our equipment carrying the items. The container came without a ramp, so we brought one and secured it with tie-down ratchets. This will be a very large job because not only the customer packed tons of boxes, but because there is this type of self-assembling furniture that is weak and wobbly and therefore dangerous to handle. Those pieces need to be transported with a lot of care. We need to avoid twisting them while carrying or maneuvering with them. If we do so, they will break. This type of furniture can break if left not supported inside of the container. On top of that, this is a shipping container which will go overseas. To optimize space, we will fill up these tall cabinets with items. No shelves will be used during the loading, or they will break under the item's weight as the container shakes. Now we will position some metal shelving. These can take weight. We will load them with boxes and other items, also trying to use all the vertical space available. We will keep on building transversal and straight walls as much as possible. We will be interlocking items as snug as possible. This should stabilize the load and optimize space. We will use tie-down ratchets in layers to secure the load and make it safer when it's time to unload the items. Strong furniture and heavy items go in the bottom of the rows, while light and delicate items are positioned on top of the rows. The wood shelving on the left can accommodate some items, but as much as possible, we will put on light items only. If you put heavy items on those shelves, they can crack or break due to rough driving or rough seas. Unfortunately, some nightstands could not have the glass top removed and packed in a separate box. The glasses and furniture got stuck to the silicone bumpers. Our option was to put them on top, on the last layer and upside down. We let the customer know that they can break during the trip. We hope they don't. And we keep on stacking and puzzling until the very end. It took us 10.5 hours to pack and load everything. When we left, the sun was down. Thanks for watching and God bless America.